Hey,
Stuart.
Rob, how you going?
Yeah, shit, yeah.
Hey,
How you doing, Stuart?
Yeah, good, mate. So, Alex was telling me that, you know, you've got an old Jimy box and you want to stack it full of new tools.
I bought my Jimy toolbox when I was for my 40th birthday. Everyone pitched in.
When was that? Like 20 years ago or something?
Oh, yeah. about 5 years ago, right? But I could only afford basically the sockets to go in it when I did it, so the tray kit for the sockets.
Yeah, nice.
And I've always gone, I wanted to upgrade it and fill it full of tools. So I spent the last 2 years building a shed. It's nearly there, and I put money aside so that when the shed was done, I could fill my toolkit full of the tools I want, right? And I've been looking at all the stuff online, and I know what I want. Alex said you'd come up, have a look at my toolbox, and maybe make some recommendations.
All right, sounds good. Well, show me through, mate.
Now, I've got to apologise in advance, because you probably can't quite walk in my shed, because it's nasty.
All right, no worries.
Let's go.
All right, follow you, mate.
So you'll see my racking's already here, ready for my new shed. But the shed's not finished.
To get a bargain, mate, or what?
Yeah, you know me, I love a bit of Gumtree. So, now please ignore the race car that I've had for 15 years that looks like it did the day I got it. But that's why I have a new shed.
So what is this, mate? It's a Mark 1 Capri.
It's a 74 Capri with a Cosworth turbo in it.
Jeez, that is sick. Nice.
One day it will run again.
And what's that over in the corner there, mate?
That's my Jimy toolbox.
Here we go.
I love my toolbox. So when I got it at the time, I got the biggest I could afford, which was a 56 inch, and it is awesome. But yeah, sorry about the stuff on the floor.
No worries.
But
I see why you're building a new shed anyway. You might have run out of room, mate.
Yes, just a little. And I can't fit a hoist in here, right?
No,
so
true.
With any race car, you need a hoist. So you'll see my lovely tools, full of quality stuff that I've gathered over the last 20 years. I do have my EVA tray still that I got when I got the kit. Kind of half empty because I'm skilled at looking after stuff. But what I want to do, I want to fill it full, right? I've had such good use out of my Jimy tools. I've never had anything break on me. And the fact that it's Australian owned, I really want to give a bit back to Australia, but I want my toolkit, right? This is something I've put money in my budget, I've saved up, and now I want it.